In this video, I will show you a platform where you'll make money daily simply by completing tasks every day. Do well to watch this video to the end, because I will show you other ways of earning from the platform. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe, and if you're an old member, thanks for watching. For registration, enter an email, login password, transaction password, and make sure you have an invite code. Once you are done, tap on Register Now. After registering an account, you'll find the recharge, withdrawal, rules and company profile at the top of the page, and when you scroll down, you'll see the VIPs at the business hall. And after registering successfully, you'll get $10 sign-up bonus which you buy any of the VIPs. Now if you select VIP, you will see the amount needed to purchase any of the VIP. For example, if you buy VIP 1 with $6, you'll earn $1.2 daily and $36 monthly, and if you buy VIP 2 with $98, you'll earn $12.75 daily and monthly income of $382.5 monthly. The profit you earn depends on your level of VIP. Buy what you can afford. I want to buy VIP 1, so I will scroll up and tap on Join Now. I will copy the USDT address and go to my wallet to make the deposit. I will paste the address and enter the amount I want to recharge. After recharging, I will go to the site and tap on Submit. I will wait for the timer to finish counting and check my balance if it has reflected. The amount has reflected, so I will go to VIP to see my level. VIP 1 has been activated, so I will go to the homepage to start completing the task. I will scroll down and select Level 1. I will select one of the tasks and tap on Submit to complete it. I will complete all the 3 tasks and check my account balance. As you can see, the amount has been added to my account, so I will tap on Withdrawal and bind my USDT address. I will paste my USDT address and enter my transaction password and submit it. It is successful, so I will enter the amount and my payment password. Once I'm done, I will select my withdrawal method and tap on Submit. It is successful, so I will wait for some time and check my wallet if it has reflected. Now if I go to Team, I will be able to see my invite link and code. When you invite a friend with your link, you will earn some commission as referral bonus when any of your friends recharge their account. The reward you earn depends on the level of your subordinate and the amount they recharge. I have received notifications about my withdrawal, so I will tap on it and check my wallet. As you can see, my withdrawal has reflected, and there was no withdrawal fee or deduction. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn on post notifications, and don't forget to like,